How to log into BambooHR employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log into BambooHR employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Then in the address bar, type in company's BambooHR login URL or bamboohr.com. On the right side of the screen, tap on the login button. On the login page, enter your company domain, then tap on continue. Then you will need to enter your password. If your company has two-factor authentication enabled, you may be prompted to enter a code sent to your phone or email. After entering your credentials and completing any necessary two-factor authentication, click on the login button. You will be directed towards your BambooHR dashboard where you can access your employee information, time of request, benefits and more. And that's it. You have successfully logged into your BambooHR employee account. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorial like this. See you in the next video.